Hello everyone. Is an application crashing, freezing, or not working properly? You don't need to uninstall and reinstall it. In this video, I'll show you how to completely reset almost any Android application in just a few steps. So here I'm using a Samsung Galaxy A35, but the steps are similar on most Android phones. So first, find the application that you want to reset. So here I'm going to reset Chrome application. So just tap and hold on the application icon, then tap on application information, which is written as I at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now you will see here the space or data used by these applications. Now tap on clear data and tap clear all data, tap OK, close the settings. So this removes the application's settings, preference and login information, making it behave like it's being opened for the first time. Now let's open the application again. You will notice it starts with the initial setup screen, just like a fresh installation, but you did not have to download it again. But be careful before resetting applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, banking application or games. Clearing data signs you out and may erase offline data if it's not backed. So this method is useful if an application keeps crashing, the application freezes, settings are messed up, when you want a fresh start, when the application is not working properly after an update. So that's how to reset application in Android phone, and that's the fastest way to reset almost any Android application without uninstalling it. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical Android tricks.